Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Neo and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application, scroll and look for your accessibility. In it we have magnification, and there we must turn on our first function, magnification shortcut. Confirm I got it and we get our magnification shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen and select place when we want. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut magnification and tap on screen. To change position of your zoom, use two fingers and with it swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out using this feature, or when you use only one finger you can go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.